Do not be afraid to go into heavily regulated businesses. You can find within those industries people willing to change and improve upon their processes. Hi, my name is Santiago. We're building AutoPen, the next chapter in signatures. So there was a change in regulation that allowed for signatures to be emitted remotely. And that triggered us to see an opportunity. And that led us onto a rabbit hole, which was, okay, what is a signature? What is public infrastructure and how we can improve that through blockchain? As a society, the more we actually try and fail, we're providing information onto the system. And the sooner we fail, the sooner ourselves gain more insight on what actually provides value. So start as early as you can. And if you are not failing, then you are not doing something right. Signatures are the manifestation of our will. They are a century-old problem, and today we have the opportunity to innovate upon them. Hello, Avalanche community. In its essence, a signature is the manifestation of will. It's a very, very old problem. So much so that you may think on a king wielding its power by placing his ring on wax and a letter being delivered to a Byzantine general. Today we have digitalized analogs where JPEGs are placed on PDFs, and that's being forwarded through cables. Truly, there is no native signature solution for the digital age, and same problems apply since centuries ago, meaning fraud, impersonation, and integrity of files. So again, current solutions are only a patch. Not only that, but we can add that they're costly, they're centralized, meaning good luck changing vendors, or what happens if they go out of business. And then they're also unimaginative. We only think as signatures as gibberish on paper, and they can be so much more. We have public infrastructure, right? So our solution is a Web3 powered digital signing for the digital age. We're modernizing public infrastructure by applying battle-tested Web3 technologies. I want to make a distinction between digital and electronic signatures. Digital signatures comply with legislations and with government requirements that makes them have the same legality as your handwritten signature. And since we're doing this through the internet, we can have a remote experience that's much better than today's existing solutions. So we can divide our offerings into two. One is an enterprise signer that has a mobile wallet and management software for signing, and then invisible signing, which is an embedded solution for existing flow. So let's say a user is getting a car, a lease. When they click accept in the background, they're using AutoPen and they're using the Avalanche network. So now we're going to jump onto a demo on the first enterprise signer. So here, after a KYC, what we've done, we emitted an NFT and bonded it to the public address, meaning we identify the public key onto an individual. We review the terms and conditions, and then we're going to go onto our phone camera in order for us to scan the QR code and provide our signature. An attestation on chain is being made, meaning that an asteroid can hit Earth and aliens are going to be able to verify the signature. So as a concrete example, we're talking with Palachain, which is a tokenization platform that needs digital signing. Today, the solution they arrive on to remain compliant is to use a notary on a video call. It's a highly trained professional and they charge like so. Since we utilize software, we can automate the process, remain compliant, and make this a lot cheaper. So the digital PKI regulation, that a lot of people live within these jurisdictions, and they have basic unmet signing needs, meaning they're having to travel long distances just to open a bank account, get a loan, or just do basic signature for their daily lives. It shouldn't be the case in 2025. Overall, markets regarding signatures, electronic and digital, they are rapidly growing due to the fact that everything's moving online. Then the total addressable market is even bigger because not all jurisdictions make a distinction between electronic and digital, but they all use PKI for healthcare, government, and finance. Our approach is from Argentina to the world. Our economy currently is rapidly being transformed. Houses, cars, loans are being tokenized, and we're just in the middle of it to provide onboarding, proof of personhood, and signing solutions. Also, by complying with Argentina, we comply with Mercosur, giving us a user base of 300 million people to start off with. Throughout 2 months, in the accelerator, we established multiple partnerships. 3 clients are being onboarded. 1 is constructing an integration, and we also partner with a certified authority that by leveraging the infrastructure, we're compliant from the get-go. We've also been sponsoring multiple media outlets, and we gather the interest of politicians. So this is me. I'm Santi. I'm a software engineer. I've been working in Web3 for the past 5 years. Behind camera, we have Gabriel. He's a lawyer. He's specialized in law tech and finance, and he's also a great salesman. We're both from Argentina. We've been victims, and we understand very well the burden of bureaucracy, and it motivates us and inspires to reduce it. Lastly, I want to emphasize that we're not only giving users signatures, but in fact, we're giving them wallets. This is a gateway to Web3. This is how we onboard the next generation of users onto the Avalanche network. If you want to find out more and stay in the loop and be a beta tester, please follow the QR code. Thank you.